Welcome to the Deep Dive Learner.
And we have some genuinely wild extremes to tease today.
Yeah.
We are talking about a 2029 global AI doomsday clock, human-only ghost fonts, and a robot that navigates the real world with just a single ordinary camera.
It's a lot to process. I'm really glad you're sitting here with us today. I often just sit and, reflect on this space quietly. The sheer velocity of AI development right now is, frankly, staggering.
It really is.
So here is the roadmap for today. We're going to start at the macro level. We'll map out a hypothetical 2040.
Right.
Then we'll zoom into the very real friction happening right now in the industry. We'll check out the grassroots developer rebellion. And we'll end with how AI is literally growing legs.
I love it. We're going top-down future to bottom-up reality.
Exactly. So let's start with that top-down view.
Yeah.
The AI Futures Project just launched something called AI 2040.
Right. It's a massive stress test.
Right. A detailed stress test of the next decade of the AI race. And they highlight the year 2029 as this crucial turning point.
Yeah, 2029 is the big one. They basically tested 5 different scenarios for the globe. You've got an all-out AI race, a one-sided delay where someone just stops, global confrontation, cooperation, and finally just a worldwide halt on everything.
And the format is actually really accessible. It's a choose-your-own-adventure style structure.
Yeah, it's super cool.
But I want to impartially report on one specific scenario they call Plan A.
Okay, Plan A.
It proposes that the U.S. and China agree to pause frontier AI training by 2029.
And frontier training simply means training the absolute most advanced models.
Exactly. And this relies on something huge. It relies on strictly tracking global computer chips and forcing immense public transparency from AI labs. It's highly delicate geopolitically.
Oh, totally.
It's kind of like policing uranium,
Yeah, that's a good way to look at it.
You can't see the software being coded, so you have to track the physical chips.
Right. But a former OpenAI researcher actually co-authored this report.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and he explicitly noted that top labs won't like it, at all.
I can imagine. But why exactly is this 2029 timeline making companies so uncomfortable?
Well, it's the tension between hypergrowth and enforced transparency.
Yay.
By 2029, they expect to hit massive, massive profit milestones.
Right.
And forcing them to open up their labs just completely ruins their competitive edge. The transparency mandate destroys their moat entirely.
So controlling the hardware is the only real way to police the software. Got it.
Exactly. Because software is just math, right? You can hide math.
Yeah. But that is a very hypothetical 2040.
Very much so.
Let's transition to the messy reality of the present.
Let's do it.
Because right now, the industry is just full of friction.
Oh, it's so messy right now.
Yeah.
Have you seen the Apple payout?
I have. Apple is paying $250 million to iPhone buyers.
Yeah, it's wild. It's over-delayed AI features.
Right. People are getting $25 to $95 per device.
It just shows how hard it is to actually ship this stuff.
Right, and Microsoft is dealing with this too. The Microsoft CEO warned companies recently. He said they might end up paying twice for proprietary AI.
Yeah, which makes helpful prompts incredibly valuable.
Which is funny because I have to be honest here, I still wrestle with prompt drift myself.
Oh, I mean, everybody does.
You get it perfect, and then a week later, the model just forgets how to act.
Yeah, it just wanders off. It's super frustrating.
And then there's Anthropic. They're rolling out rupee pricing in India.
Right, which is their second largest market.
But ironically, they are completely missing the most common payment option.
UPI. I know, it's crazy. Most of India uses UPI.
It's a huge logistical stumble.
But the money is still flowing. I mean, look at Pixverse.
Right. They just raised $439 million.
Yeah. They're valued over $2 billion now, with 150 million users.
It's staggering. And NASA's research has Hermes.
Yeah, they're open source agent. And open source agents are free AI programs anyone can download.
Right. And now they want a $1.5 billion valuation.
Everyone wants $1 billion right now.
Even OpenAI is making moves. Paid ChatGPT users just got an extra banked reset.
Yeah, celebrating their 7 million active codecs and work users.
But users are also finding their own quirks in the system.
Oh, definitely. Like the viral guides to bypass GPT-5.6 Sol's limits.
Right, the 5-hour limits.
People hate limits. They will spend 10 hours bypassing a 5-hour limit.
Which brings us to Eric Liu. He's a developer who made something called Ghost Font.
Oh, this is my favorite thing this week.
It's a font that only humans can read.
Yes.
The smartest models, like Fable and GPT-5.6 Sol Ultra, completely fail to decipher it.
They just see static. They can't read a single letter.
So how does this ghost font actually work to blind an AI while looking normal to us?
So it's all about how they see versus how we see. Machine vision uses highly rigid mathematical pattern recognition.
Okay.
But human vision naturally filters out messy visual noise to find broader meaning.
Basically, our brains handle visual noise way better than their rigid pattern recognition.
Fascinating. Yeah, we just ignore the static. They get completely paralyzed by it.
That is such a clever rebellion.
Pete, we are going to take a short break right here. Mid-roll sponsor break placeholder. And we are back.
Welcome back.
So before the break, we talked about big tech stumbling over delayed features.
Right, the corporate friction.
But solo developers are moving incredibly fast.
Oh, Lightspeed. The grassroots developer rebellion is happening right now.
Yeah, from the bottom up. Tell me about Osaurus.
Okay, Osaurus is amazing. It's an open source AI agent running 100% locally on Macs.
So it's not in the cloud at all?
Nope. It has persistent memory, and it is fully autonomous.
But why does running a local agent like Osaurus matter when cloud computing is so powerful?
2 reasons. Ultimate privacy, because your data never leaves your laptop, and offline access. It has persistent memory even if you lose your Wi-Fi connection.
Local execution means total privacy and memory that doesn't wipe when the internet drops.
Exactly. It's a huge shift in power.
And there are tools to connect these agents to the real world, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like Agent Key. It connects agents like Claude Code or Codex to live external data.
It's just one command.
Right, and then you have things like the AI media buyer.
Oh, the ad tool.
Yeah, it automatically audits and scales Meta, Google, and TikTok ad accounts.
This is entirely on its own.
Totally autonomous. No human needed.
And for developers building these tools, there's Lumel.
Yeah, Lumel's great. It lets creators easily monetize their API calls and tools.
It's creating an entire microeconomy.
It really is.
But what about security? With all these autonomous agents running around?
Well, that is where Fabre Claygrant comes in.
I saw this. It's offering over $100,000 in weekly rewards for
Yeah, to successfully hack live AI agents. It's completely gamified.
It heavily reminds me of a digital bounty hunter board.
That's exactly what it is.
Because gamifying the hacking process actually builds better immune systems for future AI.
Yeah. You find the holes now so the bad guys can't exploit them later.
Makes perfect sense. 2 sec silence. So we've talked about software agents on Macs.
Yeah.
We've talked about the cloud. But what happens when AI is literally growing legs?
The physical world. This is the crazy stuff.
Mistral AI just dropped a new 8B robotics model.
Robostral Navigate.
Right. And it allows robots to navigate complex, unseen spaces.
But the wild part is how it does it. It uses just one single ordinary camera.
That's insane. No LiDAR.
No LiDAR. No expensive multi-sensor arrays. Just a webcam, basically.
And it achieved a 76.6% success rate.
Yeah, beating the expensive multi-sensor systems by 4.5 points.
Wow. And it doesn't calculate strict metric distances, right?
Oh, it's more intuitive. It just kind of points to where it needs to go next.
It's very similar to human walking.
Exactly.
We don't mathematically calculate geometry with our eyes. We just look and step.
Yeah, we just intuitively know where the open space is.
Whoa! Imagine scaling to 1 billion queries or putting this cheap webcam system into millions of delivery bots tomorrow.
It completely drops the hardware cost to zero. Well, close to zero.
And the pipeline was built entirely in simulation.
Right. Which used 22 times fewer tokens.
Why is building the data pipeline entirely in simulation such a game changer for the industry?
Because the physical world is too slow. Collecting physical data means driving robots around for years.
Right.
In simulation, you just run it at 1 million times speed. It solves the biggest bottleneck.
Simulations allow infinite trial and error without breaking any million-dollar hardware in reality.
Exactly. And they finish it with reinforcement learning.
And reinforcement learning is just teaching software through simple trial and error.
Right. So if the robot bumps into something, it instantly recovers.
It just shifts the immense burden of robotics from hardware right into software.
Yeah, it's a total paradigm shift.
We've covered a lot today. Let's try to recap the big idea here.
I think we are watching a massive simultaneous squeeze.
A squeeze.
Yeah. From the top down, you have these geopolitical guardrails.
Like AI 2040.
Right. And you have corporate monetization schemes like Apple's payouts and Microsoft's warnings.
They're trying to lock down the future.
Exactly. But from the bottom up.
The software is becoming too efficient.
Yes.
Yes.
Local Mac agents, robots navigating with one cheap camera. The technology is actively resisting being boxed in.
That is a brilliant synthesis. The top is trying to control it, but the bottom is just moving too fast.
Yep, we squeeze us on.
Thank you for this deep dive, learner. Please check the show notes.
Yeah.
We've linked the AI 2040 Choose Your Own Adventure report there.
It's super fun to play with.
It really is. Indeed. I want to leave you with one final thought. Think about the ghost font we discussed today, and then think about Mistral's robot learning to navigate the physical world with one eye. As machines learn to navigate our messy physical reality flawlessly, we humans are inventing new visual tricks just to hide from them. So over the next decade, who is actually going to be adapting to whom? Oh, to your own music.